everyone, Phil from Phil's Train Layout. I just wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope the holiday season was great for everybody. I do know that I enjoyed spending it with some family and having some good memories and some good laughs. I hope everybody takes care, stays safe, and we'll see you through the new year. Take care. Stay safe. Hi everyone, Phil from Phil's Train Layout. I just want to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel and following me through the last couple of years that I've been under construction, playing with my layout, and looking forward to creating a whole bunch of new content this year, 2022. And oh, I got a hang up. I gotta check that out. 1 second. Almost had a derail. Back to what I was talking about. Yeah, 2022 is going to be a great year. You know, I've got a whole bunch of content that I've got planned for the year. A whole bunch of construction that we were talking about and that we're going to implement and see if we can upgrade some of the track, maybe do a whole bunch of new additions on, just to give a whole bunch more new life to everything that's going on the layout. And you know, if you want to subscribe, subscribing is free. Don't forget to share the videos with other train enthusiasts and even other people that might be interested in seeing some trains run around and learning a little bit more about the hobby. You know, it is a lot of fun. It is enjoyable. You know, everybody's doing something in the train world. So if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, there's a little icon right here. You just click on it. It's no cost, no anything. It's just join for free and subscribe. If you want to keep in touch with as videos come out and as I put out new content, just hit that little bell icon and you'll be notified as soon as I post a video. For other videos that I have posted, there's one right up here, there's one right up here, there's one right here, and take care, stay safe, happy training.